Hey, Ronnie Rocksmith here with USA Digi and RonnieRocksmith.com. How are you today? I'm doing awesome as always. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product called Eclipse. So this product was put out by Jono Armstrong and his partner Brendan Mace. So we're on my bonus page right now, and I'm going to tell you all about these later on towards the end of the video. So make sure you stick around for that. And if this is your first time here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to click the notification bell so you can get notified when I post other videos just like these. Eclipse, in a nutshell, is basically you hijacking the big gurus' traffic sources on YouTube, right? So you're going to turn that traffic into your own passive income. You're effectively stealing the gurus' income. So you can legally 100% steal their traffic. And this is totally legit and legal to do. So pretty cool, right? So Jono's been using this method for a long time, since 2017, all the way up to the mid 2018. And if you check out the sales page, you'll see this graphic right here that I have on this text doc, which shows me and several other marketers that are using this method right now and doing pretty damn good with it. So basically, I'm giving you my first-hand testimonial right now that this method actually works. Okay, so here's some other things that you don't have to worry about with this method. There's no launch jacking, there's no e-commerce, no boring content creation, no product creation, no hard work, and no outsourcing. So one of the cool things inside this training area is there's 3 methods, which I'm going to show you inside the members area: an easy, a intermediate, and an advanced. So basically, in the easy way, you don't have to put your face on anything and you don't have to create videos. He's going to show you how to do that, because I know there's a lot of people out there don't try getting in front of the video. They don't feel comfortable in front of video. They don't want to put their face on something. Maybe it's because they have a face for radio. And hey, that's cool. Different strokes for different folks, right? So this easy method is going to help you out so that you can easily do this without making a video and without getting in front of the camera. So really cool, right? So let's go ahead now and check out the sales page, and let's go over this together. So I'm going to just read a few things on here because I'm not the type of person that's going to read this whole sales page to you. I think that's pretty boring. You probably would too. And that's just wasting your time and my time as well. They lied to you. Now it's payback. Hijack the gurus, traffic in 30 seconds, and turn it into passive income. Never seen before. No monthly fees. 24/7, 365 income. So basically, it's already what I told you. Probably I'm going to say that if you're a marketer, and especially if you're new, you probably have not heard of this method before. I'm going to say that a lot of people haven't. Like I said, Jono's been using this since 2017, but this is the first time he's ever actually releasing this method to the public. So guys, check out this video here. They spent like 3 days, I think it was, filming it, and then a week to edit it. So it's a funny video and it's very entertaining. Brendan's dad's actually acting in here. That's him right here. Brendan's dad's a very good actor. So it's a pretty cool little video. They always make these little videos, and they're always pretty cool. So 100% legal theft. Yes, this is very, very legal, and it's a 100% legit. Basically, like I said, all you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating ads on AdWords over someone's video on YouTube. I'm going to show you right quick what I mean. So I'm going to YouTube right quick. I'm going to go to Make Money Online. Here we go. Let's just go to that. That's the niche that I'm in, so that's why I'm choosing this one. So I'm just going to click on any one of these, and you should see an ad show up first.
This is
okay,
the
as you can see, it says ad 1 of 2. And that's something else that I recently learned, is that YouTube is now putting 2 ads back to back instead of just 1, which is even more opportunities for you to cash in with different videos, right? Pretty cool. So your ad is actually gonna play in front of the big gurus ads, right? Stealing their traffic. And when someone clicks the link here, it's gonna go to your page and you're gonna get paid before the gurus do, effectively stealing their traffic, right? So it's pretty much how it works in a nutshell. Very, very creative system, if I might add. And yeah, it works. As you can see, me and several other guys right now are using this method as well, and we're cashing in using this method. So it definitely works, guys. Another thing I wanted to show you on here is the bonuses. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to see what you're getting there. So for bonus number 1, you're going to get advanced Eclipse strategies. Okay, so that's going to be cool. That's going to give you some extra strategies to use. In bonus number 2, you're going to get some more hacks about Eclipse. Bonus number 3, you're going to get stealth. Now, this was actually a course that was put out by Jono as well, and this is a full-blown course, guys. So this is a pretty cool method as well. I've used it before, and I still use it today, and it's using Gmail ads. So something similar to Eclipse, but not quite. And bonus number 4 is the Fuego breakout. So this is another full course that's going to teach you about traffic, how to monetize it, and how to use Jono and Brendan's traffic as well each time they make a launch. Okay, so really cool bonuses in here. And of course, if you have any questions, you can scroll down to the frequently asked questions here and read those as well. Let's go over my bonuses right quick. So this is what I'm going to be offering if you pick up Eclipse using my link, and you can find that link in the description under this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's going to be in the description. If you're watching this on my bonus page, then just click the blue button down below, okay, and you'll get all these bonuses inside of Warrior Plus when you go to the checkout page. Okay, so this is going to be launching on Tuesday the 9th on July at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So bonus number 1, I'm giving you YouTube Cash. So this is actually a module inside of my brand new course called Cash Pillars, which is coming out in August on the 12th. And so nobody's never seen this yet. You'll be the first one to check out this module. This is the whole module for one of the modules in Cash Pillars. Okay, so pretty cool. Bonus number 2 is Bing Ads Mastery. And I wanted to give you this because I think it's important to have alternatives, because once you learn how to set up ads in Google Ads, it's going to be the same thing on Yahoo Ads and the same thing pretty much in Bing Ads. You're not going to be able to use Bing Ads for placements in Google like for YouTube, but like once you start building up a profit inside using the Eclipse system, once you start getting profits from that, you can take some of that profit and still do affiliate marketing by using Bing Ads as well. So you'll have 2 sources of income coming in, you know, so you have a good variation there. So I thought it was important for you to have that as well. Bonus number 3 is YouTube channel explosion. So this is going to help your YouTube channel. Bonus number 4 is the Flash Method course and the license rights to that course. So this is my first course that I put out last year, and you're going to be able to sell this as well. Okay, so links will be already inside of Warrior Plus for you as soon as you get in there. So bonus number 5 is of course the vendor bonuses, okay, and that's advanced Eclipse strategies, Eclipse hacks, stealth, the full course, and the Fuego breakout. But these are going to be in the members area already, so I wanted to make sure you have my 4 extra bonuses that I'm including in here to give you more value, right? Okay, so we're inside the Eclipse members area here. You're going to see a few modules. So the first module is the welcome module, and this is from Brendan Mace. And the rest of the course is going to be Jono teaching you everything about the Eclipse method. Okay, so the method overview is module 2. It's going to just give you a general overview of what it is, how it works, and all of this good stuff. Okay, the next module is the toolbox. So in here, the video is going to show you the tools that you're going to need. In other words, what website you need to sign up for and all of that good stuff, right? And the next module is actually going to be the training section. So you're going to have an easy, intermediate, and an advanced, like I mentioned before. So basically in the easy training, you're going to learn that you're going to be signing up with ClickBank, and ClickBank is pretty convenient because you don't have to request to be an affiliate. You just sign up for the site, find a product that you're interested in, make sure it has good stats and that it's selling well, and then you just click promote to get your affiliate link. So right, straightforward, pretty simple. And for method 2 and method 3 here, which is the intermediate and advanced, so this way you're going to be using Warrior Plus JV Zoo. It's going to show you all that good stuff inside of there. So even though you have intermediate and advanced, guys, you can just use the easy way and just make money with that. Okay, the other ways are pretty much optional, but they will actually help you make even more money. If you can do the intermediate or the advanced way, I would go ahead and do that, because you're going to want to start building your list as soon as possible, right? Every marketer has a list, and that is the way that they make the most money. And every marketer will straight up tell you that. You can make money from other methods and other ways, but that is the most lucrative and the way that you're going to make the most money. And the next module is the conclusion, so watch that video. And then there's an upgrade module, but there's nothing in here at this time. I don't know if they're going to have anything in there or whatnot. And to get the vendor bonuses that were listed on the sales page, the 4 bonuses that were listed, just click this link right here in the members area. So the front end is going to be $12.95. This is usually what they put for their front end prices, $12.95 on the front end. And upgrade number 1 is $197, which is the done for you package. But some of you may say, well, that's a little bit high, that's a little bit expensive. But think about this, you're going to be getting everything done for you for 365 days, guys. That's a full year. Okay, at least 2 promos per week you're going to be getting. I'm going to read everything here. It says done for you review video, done for you video ads, done for you bonus page, done for you emails, the complete package of all the upcoming launches in 2019 and beyond. That's a lot of promos, guys. So I think this price is very reasonable for the amount of value that you're going to be getting in here. Upgrade number 2 is also $197, and it basically says steal our 3.8 million list, put your tracking pixel on our sales page, and take advantage of hundreds of thousands of visitors. Customers get to keep all of the tracking data to use for their own promotions. This is retargeting, right? This is as close as it gets to building a huge list overnight. So you might be thinking, okay, it sounds good, but I don't know how to do remarketing, retargeting, and whatnot. Well, you're going to be learning that in the Eclipse method, and you're also going to learn this in the Fuego breakout method, which is included because it's one of the bonuses, right? So you're going to know how to do this. So this again is another great value because you can use all the people that's going to be targeted people that's actually coming to the launch pages. Upgrade number 3 is $197 as well, and this is the 1K daily hack. So it's a complete done for you solution. You'll be using their video ads as well as their targeting to make $1,000 commissions. So I mean, come on, you make one sale, you already made your money back and then a hell of a lot more. So in my opinion, this is also something that I would pick up as well. Okay, upgrade number 4 is $77, and this is another really cool solution that I would recommend you picking up, because what you're gonna get here is you're gonna be able to save yourself hours of manual work. Okay, you're gonna get 30 monetizable channels that you can actually use to place the Eclipse system over, so you don't have to go out there and search for them, taking yourself hours and hours on YouTube to find these channels, right? And upgrade number 5 is $167, which is the license rights to sell Eclipse as your own. Okay, so that about wraps up this video on Eclipse. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think that this is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com. Thanks for your time and interest. And guys, happy marketing. Oh, all the blood is rushing to my head. Hurry up, click another video.